In Florida, there are special rules that apply to commercial trucks. There are state and federal guidelines that must be followed, and many of those revolve around safety issues, how much a truck is able to legally load. There are many, many rules controlling the conduct of the drivers. How long can a driver drive continuously? There are many rules requiring trucking companies to keep very, very specific records and laws. So there are very, very specific rules and laws that do apply to commercial trucking.